Since 2004, Romex SIMpull NM cable from Southwire Company has been making believers out of those who have used it. A true modern innovation in residential building wire, Romex SIMpull NM cable has a jacket that utilizes the SIM technology process, which makes the cable easier to pull across trusses and joints, and also makes it easier to strip. Today, Southwire's Romex SIMpull NM cable can be found on countless residential job sites.
The SIMpull technology that they have, it just makes it easier to pull across, through the attic, and it may run across several items, there, but it just seems to pull easier. That's all I really care about. I don't have to go back, I don't have to work on it, and I can pull it faster and we can make more money, and that's really the bottom line. If you can get us those few things, then we're going to be happy.
This is the best thing about SIM technology. I've been doing this for 15 years, and being able to pull around this corner is one of the hardest things there is for an electrician to do when you're pulling Romex. So watch how easy I can do this. I can just pinch it with my 2 fingers. And I remember having to struggle. It's so frustrating. To be able to do that without even thinking is the best thing in the world.